You see, I have everything, all the functions here. The YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV, much more. So the TV comes with the stand, the regular stands, two stands here, you see. So which is this one, and here I have the remotes, and it comes with the battery and the charger. This is how
बाबू देवाई के राशन हुई ना
Okay, so once you join the TV to the stand, so make sure you have to screw it very tight. Yep, so this is how we do. I installed the TV mount stand for the wall. You see, this is the measurement you need it. Exact on the middle. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna end the video here. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for again. Peace.